Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Friday, February 15, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures catching a little bit of a bid. They're up 12.5 points to 27.56 per contract. You're going to see here around 2 in the morning, the market was really sinking and trading around 27.30, and all of a sudden you had some news come out that China delegates are going to come to the United States next week, and even though they don't have a deal in place, they're going to continue to work on it, and that helped to lift the markets here. So again, futures right now higher by 12.25 points, and what can you say? It's another pretty good pop for the S&P, and we'll see if it can hold the remainder of the trading day. Now, we have lots of earnings out here, so let's get started. We're going to start off with a big one here, big chip company, NVDA. NVDA right now trading at 162.94. Stock closed yesterday at 154.53. This is a very important day for NVIDIA. We'll see where the stock closes, but after hours yesterday, you can see the stock did briefly go above the 168 level. Now it's settling in a little bit. We'll keep this one on the radar. I don't think there's much we're going to do with it right at the moment, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Another semi-play out here is Applied Materials, is a semiconductor equipment maker. Right now, stock is trading at $40.10, closed at $40.71. So a little downtick there, nothing much. We'll keep that on the radar as well, and we'll see how it plays out. Ultimately, semiconductors today could be in play as a group, so we want to watch that sector also. Next up, we're going to talk about CGC, which is the marijuana sector. This stock came out with earnings. Stock went up to 49 bucks in the pre-market here, now trading at around $47.45, closed at 46.12 yesterday. It's still capturing a bit of a gain. I don't think there's a whole lot of upside, but we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. There's nothing I would do with it right off the bat here, so we'll see how it plays out. Still a lot of support in the low 40 range if it got down there, but again, like I said, I'm not looking to do much with it until we see how this thing settles out. You want to keep the other marijuana names in play on the radar today. So again, keep those on a lookout. Some of the symbols there could be Chrono, C-R-O-N. That definitely will play in sympathy. You also want to look at ACB. That's another one out here. And obviously, many of you know Tilray, T-L-R-Y. That's another one as well. All right, let's look over here at a gold stock today, Agnico Eagle Mines, AEM. I believe they came out with earnings. Stock isn't doing much. It's trading at $42, closed at $41.86. We'll see how that one opens up once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at CBS. Everybody knows the big network, the big company here, media company, right now trading at $47.98, closed at $49.10. So a little haircut there. If this got down to 45 bucks or Pierce of 45, I definitely would be interested there. I don't think there's much to do ahead of that. Next up, we have XPO. This is a transport company trading at $51.50, closed at $59.54. Ouch. This is getting hammered. This could hurt stocks like FedEx today. It already is. Also, UPS, want to keep that on the radar as well. They could be hurt by XPO. So XPO definitely under some pressure this morning. Again, I don't have a level yet for this name, but we could have one if it does dip a little bit further. Next up, we want to take a look at PepsiCo. PEP is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $115. Nice little pop. It closed yesterday at $112.59. The one thing I will say about this, there's a lot of resistance up here at $115. So again, I don't think it goes a whole lot higher from here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I really wouldn't do much with it. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Here's a stock that will be in play today for me. It's John Deere. John Deere right now trading at $155.60. Stock closed at $162.42. I have a mathematical level ready to go already for this one. So we've got a little bit more downside, and then we will look to get into John Deere. Again, I'll update that in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we want to take a look at Zeus, ticker symbol ZEUS, I believe. Yes, there it is. Stock right now is trading at $20.35 yesterday at the close. Now trading at $19.82. So you got a little bit of a pop there. So again, nice little move, 20.35 for Zeus. So that's upticking a little bit. I don't think we can make too much out of it. Let's take a look at NWL, which is Newell, and this right now is trading at $18.65, down from $21.69. So This is a little bit of a haircut. If it gets down to around 1750, I start to get a little interested. 1650 is a big daily chart gap. You want to keep that on the radar. Take a look at that nice little gap there. That would be a play for me. Again, 1750 could also be something I would get a little bit interested in as well. Let's take a look at one more here. LOGM. This is getting absolutely annihilated. Stock closed at $95.99. Right now, it is trading at $79.60. So big time haircut here. I don't have a level yet, but if we go a little bit lower, there is a level in play. So keep that on the radar today, and we will look at that one in a little while. So again, we definitely got some moving parts out here. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Again, we're having really a dynamite 2019, and we had a fantastic 2018. All right, let's go over now to the gold market. What you're going to see here for gold futures, they're trading up $5. Let's pull up the GLD. That's a good ETF to track the movement in gold. That's trading at 124.36, upticking from 124.06 at the close yesterday. Then you have crude oil up 62 cents to $55.04 a barrel. Crude is held up very nicely. If you take a look at the USO this morning, which is a good ETF, track the movement in oil. That is trading at 11.57, up from 11.47 at the close yesterday. So good little move there. Oil is up, gold is up. And again, we'll see how this market trades out today. It's a Friday. We'll see where we go. I believe next Monday the market is closed for holiday. So just be aware of that. We have President's Day, so the markets will be closed for holiday. But this should be a pretty important trading day overall. With that being said, everybody, we'll see how this all plays out. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and we will see you all on the charts. Have a great day.